So you can see right here that yesterday I was able to generate $350 just in this one affiliate account. And you can see right here the last 4 weeks, just using totally free strategies, I've been able to generate $3,300. Now, as you follow me in this video, I'm literally going to share with you a totally free copy paste method anyone can do worldwide that will allow you to get your affiliate link in front of thousands of people with just a click of a button. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure to smash the like button right now, and let's go ahead and dive right in to this powerful method. Now, you can go to clickbank.com, and if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and start here and create an account to find products. You want to log in and you want to go to the top tab under Marketplace. Now, they have all these different categories you can find products in. You can do business and investing. You can do fiction, games, green products. For the sake of this video and this method, it works best in the make money online niche, okay? So we're gonna go to e-business and e-marketing. Now, once you're in that category, if you're using ClickBank, you wanna sort results by gravity. This is gonna share with you the best selling products at the very top. And if we promote products that are selling well for other people, chances are we'll be able to make a ton of sales as well. So I'm actually gonna use this very top one. It has a gravity score of 296, which is pretty darn good, and an average dollar per conversion of $29, meaning that's the average amount of money you'll make per sale. So just click promote, and you want to generate your hop link if you're using ClickBank, and go ahead and copy this affiliate link. Now I'm going to put it in a notepad to keep this handy, and we're going to be able to use this a little bit later as you keep watching this powerful free method. By the way, if you were wondering how I actually set all this up, you can grab my free toolkit below. It's the exact funnel and tools I use to earn $300 or more a day with affiliate marketing, and it works even if you're a complete beginner. Now I'm going to share with you how you can take a done-for-you private label rights product that you can actually use legally and put your affiliate links in there so you can actually give this away to people to generate leads and sales. So you can first go to a site called freeplrdownloads.com. And once you're on this site, they have all these different niches and categories, and you want to choose a niche that you're actually in. Okay, so I know a lot of my audience is in making money online and things like that. So I'm actually going to find a niche that's relevant to that topic. So you can see right here where it says business, I can just click that right there, and then it's going to list all these different PLR books. So it has, Success with Shopify, E-commerce Simplified, Cash Smasher Secrets. So we just want to find one that's relevant, and then we want to open it up. So let's say this one right here, okay, Cash Smasher Secrets. I can open this in a new tab, and we want to make sure that it gives us the license to actually give this away. So you can see right here, master resale rights. So that means that we have the rights to actually give this away to people. Then all you have to do is go down and then just click download here to download that document. And once you've downloaded it, now what we need to do is add our affiliate links into it. So you can go to a site like pdfescape.com. And what this allows you to do is edit PDF files, okay? So once you go there, just go ahead and click free online. And then we want to click upload PDF to PDF Escape because we already have it on our device. Okay, now once it's uploaded, all we have to do is now add in our affiliate link where people can actually click and check out the offer we're promoting. You want to just scroll down, and every few pages, you just want to put it in. You can put it at the bottom, put this page, for example. And we just want to go to the left, and we want to click this icon here where it says text. And then right here, we just want to write a text. So we could say something like, click here if you want to see my #1 recommendation, okay? And then we can make this bigger by just going up here, okay? And then we can just drag this more to the middle. So as the person is reading this, getting value, they're gonna see this call to action, okay? Because everyone wants to know the #1 way, right? There's a lot of ways in this book, but what's the #1 way? So to add this and make this a link, we just go back to the same icon, click link, and then we just want to click and hold our mouse and drag over that text, and then this will pop up, and where it says link to, we just want to put in our affiliate link here, and then just click OK. And then now this is clickable. So whenever someone is going down and they see this and they click, they'll automatically get taken to our affiliate link so they can go ahead and buy. Now, I recommend you doing this every few pages, Okay, so as they keep reading, they keep seeing it multiple times, and this will be an amazing way to start getting traffic. Now, the last thing is we just want to export this. So just go to the left, click right here, download, and this will download this document to our device so we can go ahead and use this. Now I'm going to share with you a totally free traffic strategy to get tons of people going to your affiliate links using Facebook. So if you have a Facebook profile, all you have to do is go to this top search bar here, and we want to type in a few words that have to do with our niche. Okay, so if you're in the health and fitness niche, you could type in health and fitness, but I know a lot of people who watch this are in the make money online. So I can just type in make money online, and then I can just search this. And then what we want to do is filter, okay, results by groups. So go ahead and do that. Click on groups, and this is going to list all these different groups here. Now, what you want to do is you want to look for groups that not only have tons of members, but are also very active. So you can see right here, this has over 200,000 members, okay, which is incredible. And it has 10 plus posts a day. Okay, so this is a pretty popular, pretty active post, which could work really well. Now, to share with you an example, okay, if I go down, you know, this one right here, it says 2 posts a day, which isn't that great because that means people are not that active. So you just want to go into one of the large active groups and go ahead and open that up. Okay, and once you're inside the group, you also want to check for recent posts. Okay, so scroll down. You can see this one right here. I mean, this was 2023, right? So it's showing a lot of old posts, which could mean that this group is really not that active. Even though it showed that it is getting daily posts, this may not be the best one, okay? So I actually found this one right here. This has close to 7,000 members and daily posts. And you can see, you know, 3 minutes ago, this person posted like this. And this is actually the type that we're going to do like this, okay? But I'm going to share with you how to improve this. But you can see they made a post and they're getting people commenting. So what this does is this is a free traffic strategy that allows us to generate leads. And then we're going to actually send these people the information, which includes our affiliate link. So what you want to do is go to the top, okay? And we want to write something that is basically like an ad, capturing people's attention, sharing benefits about whatever we're promoting, and then with a call to action, telling them to comment for more information. Now, I actually created a post ahead of time that I'm going to share with you. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in here. And I want to go through it step by step so you can model this and actually create a very similar post yourself, because this works very well. Okay, so it basically says, look, if you're trying to make affiliate commissions, but you don't want to make content, show your face, or build a complicated website, I found something that works. Okay, now obviously you don't want to say that if the offer you're promoting makes you show your face or create content, right? You want to make it relevant, but it's very good to start with a headline talking about them not having to do things they don't want to do. So a lot of people, they don't want to build a complicated website. They don't want to make content. So if I say, you know, hey, if you want to get this result without this pain, it's going to catch their attention. And then I say, I've been testing a simple system and it's actually beginner friendly. I know a lot of people in these groups are beginners. Comment info and I'll send it over to you. So that's the call to action. Okay. And what's going to happen is when people see this, they're going to get interested. They're going to say, hey, you know, I want to get this result without this problem, without this pain. Yeah, I'll share info, right? And this doesn't cost anyone anything to comment info. We want to make sure the word that we tell people to comment is very either short or easy to spell, okay? So you can say comment yes, comment the letter Y, right, for yes, if you want to make it even shorter, or just comment info. What we want to do is click post. And what's going to happen is that's going to end up in this group. Now, this group has close to 7,000 members that are going to see our post. And when people read it and they get interested, they're going to comment the word that we said to comment. And then all you have to do is when someone comments, you just hover over, go to message, and then we just send a message basically saying, hey, I saw you asked for information on my post. Here's the info. And then we literally just send them our affiliate link. Now, ideally, you want to send them a funnel link if you actually have a funnel. But worst case scenario, you just send them your affiliate link. Now, if you do this, right, you start posting in multiple groups a day, okay, you're going to start to get a lot of comments and you're going to start to get tons of leads. Now, we don't typically want to post our affiliate link in the post because often the creators of these groups will actually remove it, thinking that we're spamming. Okay, some people here are actually doing it, but it's better if you actually get people to comment because that boosts your engagement. These posts will start pushing up to the top and you'll get more and more exposure. Do this daily, post in multiple groups, and you'll start getting tons of traffic. Well, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed learning this strategy. And if you want to take the shortcut and copy what's already working, be sure to grab the free toolkit below. It includes my funnel map, tools, and everything you need to start getting results. Be sure to like and subscribe if you got value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.